So now it's time to cut out the ab base and get it glued down onto the torso base. So to do this, first thing you are going to do is print out the template for the ab base top and the ab base bottom. And just like with the template pieces for the torso, you'll cut them out and use the X's to line up the two pieces and tape them together. Once you've got that taken care of and you have your ab center cut out, your ab base cut out in black 2mm foam, you will print out spacer 1, print out 2 copies of it, and use this as a gauge to center your ab piece. Line it up alongside the edges like so. And then you have basic setup to lay your ab piece down and glue it into place. So now I'm going to get started on that. So here we have the center ab base attached to the torso base. Now when you do this, I would recommend with your spacers putting spray adhesive on the back of them, and just like with doing the stencils, let it dry out so it's just slightly tacky, and then put it into place. So when you're actually focusing on putting this piece down, you don't have to worry about your spacers sliding around all over the place, and they'll stay in place when you put it on. Also, another thing is I recommend not laying this down on a table, but doing it over your knee or something like a 5-gallon bucket, something that's going to have a bit of a curve, so when you're pressing down on this, you start from the center, you push out and lay it out so that you're not making it any flatter when you're laying it on.